Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Now if you're heading on an MSC cruise, you might be wondering, should you get the drinks package? Are they worth it? Or is it better to pay as you go? Well, I've just spent a week on MSC's Preziosa without a drinks package, so the question is, did I miss out by not having one? Now if you're new to cruising, you may not know that you usually have two ways to pay for your drinks. The first is you just pay as you go. You order a drink, you hand over your cruise card, and it gets added to your bill, which you settle up at the end of your trip. The other option is a drinks package, which gives you unlimited drinks but within the specific package rules. There are multiple packages to choose from, each designed for different preferences, and that's where things can get a little confusing. Let's start with the Miners package. This came in at €20 per person per day, or approximately £16.65 or $20.63, and is for kids and teens, but the rules change depending on where you cruise. In Europe, it's available for ages 3 to 17, but in the US though, it only covers ages 3 to 12. This package gives the kids access to soft drinks, fruit juices, hot chocolate, and even soft serve ice cream. But the surprising thing is, if you're a teenager, 13 to 17, on a US cruise, they can't get this package and must pay full price for the adult package instead. What's more, the Miners package also includes the private islands, but it doesn't cover the specialty restaurants or signature venues, regardless of the beverage price. So it might be something to keep in mind when budgeting. Next up, we have the alcohol-free package. Now this is great if you don't drink alcohol but still want those unlimited drinks. Coming in at €29 per person per day, or approximately £24.14 or $29.91 This includes alcohol-free cocktails, sodas and juices, coffee, tea, hot chocolate, energy drinks, and mineral water. However, it doesn't include canned soda, only fountain soda, so if you prefer drinks in a can, that could be a downside. So, great for non-drinkers, coffee lovers, or anyone who wants unlimited mocktails, but if you're planning to have even one alcoholic drink a day, another package might be of better value. You can use the alcohol-free package in the bars, the self-service buffet, the main restaurant, and on private islands, but again, not in the specialty restaurants or the signature venues. Now, let's talk about alcohol packages, starting with the Easy package. It costs €47 per person per day, or approximately £39.13 or $48.47. This is the cheapest alcohol package and is often included in MSC's free drinks promotion. But before you get too excited, there are some limitations. For this, you get house spirits, a small selection of cocktails, house wines, and beer, but the only beer included is Heineken, either bottled or draft. It also covers sodas and fruit juices. So if you're happy with basic drinks and Heineken, this package might work for you. If you want more variety though, you'll need to upgrade. Finally, the Easy package can only be used in the bars, buffets, and main restaurant. What's more, it also includes the private islands, but again does not include those specialty restaurants or signature venues. Now if you find this video helpful, then please just hit that subscribe button for more cruise information. Thank you. Now, if you want more choices, the Easy Package Plus steps it up a notch, costing €63 per person per day, or approximately £52.51 or $64.97. This includes a wider range of spirits, cocktails, and wines by the glass, as well as more beer options, both draft and bottled. It also gives a 10% discount on bottles of wine. The best part, unlike the Easy package, this one can be used in specialty restaurants, making it a much more flexible choice for those who want more variety, without going all in with the most expensive package. Once again, it also includes the private islands, but doesn't cover the signature venues. So for those of you who want the best of the best, the premium extra package includes almost everything. At a price of €87 per person per day, or approximately £72.52 or $89.68, This package covers premium spirits, craft cocktails, champagne by the glass, and even a wider range of beers. Plus, it offers a 25% discount on bottles of wine and champagne. If you're someone who enjoys top-shelf drinks and doesn't want to worry about price limits, this is the ultimate package. Of course, it comes at a higher cost, so it's really about whether you plan to make the most of it. The premium extra package can be enjoyed at the bars, buffet, main restaurants, specialty restaurants, as well as the private islands. But once again, doesn't cover those signature venues. Now, if you only like having a drink with a meal, there's also a smaller package called the Dine and Drink Package. This one is different because it only applies during meal times in the main restaurant and buffet. It costs adults €15 per person per day, children €9 per person per day. It includes house wine, beer, soda and fruit juices, but you can't use it in the bars. If you just want a drink with your meal and don't plan on drinking much outside of dining hours, now this could be a good budget-friendly option. Now we know how much the drinks packages are, let's take a look at the bar menu to see if it would have been a good option. I gotta be honest, I'm not a big drinker, so I was perfectly happy with the Heineken draft, which was 40 centilitres and cost €7, which with gratuities came in at €8.05. As you can see, a glass of wine will cost anywhere between €7.50 and €13 a glass plus gratuities. Or cocktails either €13 or €9 and mocktails €7. During the week we were away, we paid for our drinks as we went. We also attended the captain's party one evening where there was complimentary Prosecco, and we had 4 port days, one of which ended up to be an overnight stay, so didn't drink very much on those occasions either. So my whole drinks bill for the week, even adding the drinks my daughter bought me, only came to €72.45, or approximately £60.33 or $74.85, as opposed to €329 or £273.96 or $345.42 it would have cost me having the easy package for the week. I also hate the feeling that I feel forced sometimes to drink more than I want just to break even. In fact, on some cruises, including this one, the drinks package costs more than the cruise fare itself, as an inside cabin for the week was only £290. So for me personally, it wasn't worth it, but they are very popular. So if you are thinking about a drinks package, here are some key things you'll need to know about the MSC drinks packages. First, if you're thinking about getting one, buy it before your cruise. It's about 15% cheaper when booked in advance. Also, everyone in the same cabin must get the same package. So if one person wants a drink package, then everyone else has to get one too. Lastly, these packages don't cover everything. Specialty venues like Venice, chocolate bar and gelato shops are not included, so always check the fine print before you order. So are the drinks packages on MSC Preziosa worth it? Well, let's be honest, only you can decide. If you're only planning to have 1 or 2 drinks a day, then paying as you go might actually be a lot cheaper, as it was for me. But if you like a variety or don't want to worry about keeping track of your spending, a package could be a good way for you to enjoy your cruise stress-free. Hopefully this breakdown helps you decide what's best for you. Now, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and please let me know your thoughts in the comments. Would you get a drinks package or pay as you go? So until next time, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure.